Hello everyone and welcome to the review of the Mi wireless range extender, the Pro version. This has two external antennas and it runs by mains power, not like the other model, the extender that runs on USB power, which is this. Both are very good units, and that is because not only they do their advertised job and increase the wireless range, but both has the function which is called wireless roaming, and that's very useful. It's like having something similar with the mesh technology, but it doesn't need dedicated hardware or complex configurations. It's very simple. You just install this and it has an option. You select that option in the app, which I'm going to show you, and your wireless network will not have two different SSIDs, will have one single SSID, and your device that needs wireless will automatically switch seamlessly between the network points such as your router or the repeater without interrupting your data. So if you watch, for instance, Netflix on your mobile phone and you run around between those two antennas, the router and the repeater, the phone will switch between the networks, but your Netflix stream will not stop. Also, if you have a lot of devices such as a smart home environment with a lot of wireless devices that are connected, and sometimes they switch to the other network because it's better for them to have signal from that. They will not cease to work or not stop to work, and you will not need to reconnect them or do anything else. They are going to connect automatically to the best wireless without needing any kind of reset up. And now let's set it up. So I'm going to connect it to power. This doesn't need a separate USB charger like the other model. This is very good when you are traveling because it's kind of portable and you can plug this into a power bank or get some other crazy ideas such as installing it in your car. This one, it's intended more for home use, but you have bigger antennas and higher gain. So I'm going to connect it. You should have an LED here and this should start blinking, meaning that it's not connected to anything. Alright, and now I'm going to open the Mi Home app. Before installing the device, I recommend you to turn on Bluetooth and also location, because that will improve the working of the Mi Home. Otherwise the app will either ask you to turn those on. If you have forgot to turn on the permission, you won't get the notification and then you will not find the device. So turn those on because they are going to help you. Then I'm going to press on plus and I'm going to wait a bit. It's scanning for devices from my toothbrush, but I should see here also the repeater, and there you go. The wireless extender Pro has just appeared, so I'm going to select it, and now I need to select my wireless. The only con until now, this is not double band, dual band. It only has 2.4 gigahertz wireless. It doesn't have 5G wireless. So I'm going to select next. And as simple as that, device was added. Now I can select a room or something for it. I'm going to select next, next. I do have wireless password, but I think that the password is saved already in the Mi Home app, and the repeater haven't asked me the wireless password, so it just went further. And now I should have the interface running, and you can see here. And now this is the most important part here, is the wireless roaming option. For now I have another network which is called like my current SSID with underscore plus. But if I do not want this, because all my devices now will not connect to this new network because it's a new SSID, like a new network. So it will be very complicated for me to go and reset up the home environment just to connect to this new network. So I'm going to select this, and now I will no longer see this network as a separate network, and all the devices that get better signal from this will connect directly to it. And all the smart home devices will no longer need reconfiguration. They are going to connect directly. And when this is blue, it's running right up. So as simple as that, now I have a powerful wireless amplifier that has minimal setup and provides technology that is very close to mesh. So I get all the features that my router offers without having to buy any additional mesh antennas. It's like being connected directly to the router. This is not seeable by the environment. It's just a bridge that redirects all the wireless directly to my internet source, and that's amazing for such a cheap device, and being such simple to install without any kind of advanced configuration or needing a PC or anything else, just the app and a few touches of the screen. So until my next video, see you and bye bye.